Cottagecore Images Empire review. Hello, friends, and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about Cottagecore Images Empire, right? So, this is that review. And yeah, before we do the review, let's welcome back to you guys again, and you can welcome me back as well because I am recording these reviews, I think after 2 years, maybe, right? Yeah, if you're new to the channel, then you will find older videos on my channel. I have done like 1592 reviews before this. This is the 1593rd review I'm doing, and I left these reviews doing in between because I changed my make money online field. I was into forex trading. I am into forex trading full time, okay, but now I want to have a little bit fun. So yes, I think I have some time and I want to have some fun. So I will do these reviews. Let's see for how long I will do it. Otherwise, there's no guarantee. And my main source of income, or rather, what I do is forex trading. Okay, but I had been doing these reviews before 2 years. You can go and watch on my channel, and right now I'm back just to have some fun, and because I like to talk. Okay, I like to talk, and YouTube is the best platform here where you can come and yell. Okay, so this is that review here, whatever the review is. Now, before we start the video, if you want to make money online, that's one more reason why I should come and make these videos. First is to stop people from wasting their money, and second is to give them any real source of income. Okay, so below my video you will find some links. The first link says swing trading on automation. These are just options I'm telling you because it's my job, my duty to tell you what will make you money or what has made money for me. Okay, you just need to have the options. Whether you do them or not, it's entirely up to you. So the first link below the video, you will see it will be saying swing trading on automation. When you click on that link, then you will come to this page, and then you have to watch this video to understand how you can automate the process of making money. Okay, it is possible. I have invented it. I means me myself. Okay, it's no third party. It's directly me who has invented this method, and you will only know when you come and see this video. Then only you will understand what I'm talking about. Okay. So the first link below the video, it says swing trading on automation. That's my main source of income right now, you can say, and you can go and check that out too. This is the main reason I have to record these videos, because I have to let people know if there are real options to make money. So for example, in my career, I have done almost everything. I have done digital marketing, I have done technical support, I have done this YouTube, I have done forex trading, I have done email marketing, I have done affiliate marketing, you name it, I have done it. Okay, and all the methods had made me money, so I can't blame anything that no, nothing made money. Everything has made me money. Now, making money here doesn't make that doesn't mean that every method will make you a millionaire. Okay, so everything has worked for me, whether it's email marketing, affiliate marketing, YouTube, forex, whatever. Okay, everything has made money for me as long you put in the effort and you stay consistent. Okay, so if you want to make money, then I will give you more than one method, plenty of opportunities to make money if you can only stick with that method for long term. Okay, so check out the first link below the video, then come to this page, swing trading on automation, and then you go and find out how this method is going to work for you. And then below the video, you will also see make money on YouTube. So if you want to do what I am doing right now, you can check out that link which says make money on YouTube. And if you want to get get into email marketing and you want to get some leads, then check out that link which says get 100 emails per month. So you go and check out these links in your free time. All these opportunities are for you if you want to make money online, because I have tested them and they have made money for me, no doubt in that. Okay, so I can definitely recommend you what works. So making money doesn't mean that you will become millionaire overnight, but these methods have made me money. Okay, so coming back to this review here, Cottagecore Images Empire. So this method, or rather, this is a simple training program, I believe, which you can utilize to make these kind of images. Okay, so they will give you some tag. What do you call that? Prompt. Okay, so if you use ChatGPT, and if you don't know what to type, then they will give you copy paste these tags, prompts you call them. Okay, and then you can paste these prompts and you can start generating images like these. So if you are naive, if you're not tech savvy, maybe this is for you. It's not for people like me. So, I invent things. I don't follow people. Okay. So for example, if you have curiosity and if you want to maybe try something yourself, then you can come to ChatGPT here. Okay, and give your prompts yourself, and ChatGPT will try to make some images for you. Okay. So you can play around with ChatGPT, give them prompts, give them some keywords, and ChatGPT will figure out what to do and give you some sample images. Okay. So either you go and play around for free if you want to. Otherwise, you can buy this course or training prompt, whatever this is. There's no affiliate link for this product, so you will not find any link below my video to buy this. Okay. But these are those kind of cool images you can say. So if you have some kids, maybe, or maybe you don't, you can print them out and they can fill colors in this. But I think these days in the Western countries, kids are being taught how to become gay or lesbian rather than actually study anything. Okay. So education in the Western countries in schools is fucked up, I think. Your kids are more busy in figuring out if they want to become gay or lesbian. So I'm not sorry, and this is how it is. So fix your schools. Otherwise, your kids will be left for nothing. Okay. If your priority is to learn how to become gay or lesbian, then who's gonna learn science and who's gonna become scientists or who's gonna become doctors? So your country will be fucked up. Okay. So I have no hesitation to say what I see. Right. These people are the creators. You can go and follow them. You can go and follow them if you want to. You can go and buy this if you want to. Otherwise, you can play around with these prompts and keywords in ChatGPT by yourself, and ChatGPT will give you something, will generate some images for you. Okay, so go and check out everything, Cottage Empires, whatever this is. All right, and if you are into making money online, then you can check out all the links below my video. And one more thing here, you can get the free bonus lifetime email autoresponder and marketing materials. If you want something for free, click on this link and go and grab it. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.